Hey guys, just checking in. Haven't checked in a while. I'm outside. I have my mask. There's no one around. So I just wanted to check in to make sure you are taking care of yourself first and foremost, doing the things you need to do to stay positive, to stay active, to stay sane in this crazy time. So just checking in. I want you to let go all the drama and stress in the world and to take a deep breath of fresh air. I do my walk daily for some fresh air, so you can do it as well. And I'm a big boy, so I hope you do it. It'll be great. It'll be totally energizing. You'll have just fresh air. Being cooped up inside, I understand this will be different. Bring a mask with you in case you're going out anywhere, but we're getting through it slowly but surely. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need a little pom-pom cheerleader. So in the comments below, I want you to write what you are thankful for. What do you enjoy waking up to? What do you enjoy doing? What are you going to, what are you grateful for? So let's fill that out in the comments below, and we are going to rock it in the upcoming new world that we're in. It's gonna be absolutely amazing for us. If you believe it, you will see it. And I'm seeing some amazing things from a lot of you out there. So the sky's the limit. So let's go.